In this video, we're tackling a common problem where Active Directory OUs, which are like folders for organizing your users, stop syncing with Okta. This can cause users in these OUs to be deactivated from Okta's AD settings. The issue is usually because the OU name was changed in Active Directory. Let's go through a quick fix by renaming an OU. As seen, we have an OU called Testing, and we change its name to Testing Purpose. After renaming, let's head over to the Okta admin dashboard. Here's what you do. Click Directory, then Directory Integration. Choose the Active Directory you're fixing. Click on Provisioning, and finally Integration. You might notice the Testing OU hasn't changed to Testing Purpose. Don't worry, here's the next step. Go to Applications, then Applications again. Click on More, and then click Refresh Application Data. A message should show up saying, Success. But we're not done. We need to double-check in Active Directory to see if the OU name is now Testing Purpose. If it is, reselect this OU and run an import to bring back any users who were turned off by the name change. Now under Import, click on Import Now, select Full Import, and then click on Import. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.